This is room 327 at the Comfort Suites that's billed as Comfort Suites near Route 66. And here they have a little coffee area. They have a big giant mirror there off the closet. Sitting chair and a sofa bed, and then they have a half wall. This is what makes it a suite. And a coffee table. And then there's a big HD TV. I have not actually tried it yet. And here is, I believe it's supposed to be a king bed. And always one of my favorite things, the toggle light switch. And outlets by the bed, including USB. That's marvelous. I realized I hadn't shown the bathroom here, and it's got a mirror, of course, and you could quickly see me there, and it's got a shower. It's not a tub. Yay! This is really nice, actually, because I don't really like climbing into the tub, over the tub into the shower. That's a real shower stall, and a large one, and of course the toilet. And then they have some amenities here. So there you go. Here's the Comfort Suites lobby. That's the check-in desk. And they have a table in front of that where you sign in and do your credit card. And then this is the eating area. And they actually apparently have hot breakfast. And I'm going to go over to the sign where you can actually see that. And it says here, our attendant will plate your breakfast for you. And that's awesome. Apparently they'll actually have that. So having to, instead of not getting it or a grab and go, they actually will have breakfast. So